I hope you guys can hear me. Hope we're live. I'm watching all of those right now on 1 minute time frame or 3 minute time frame as well to be knocked because we're bullish. Possible all of those lows could be knocked as well to this area. It is also possible. Hello guys. I hope so. This is what it is I'm looking at right now. Let's see how market is could perform right now from here. It's also possible. Hello guys. I hope so. This is what it is I'm looking at right now. Let's see how market is could perform right now from here. So the thing right now I'm anticipating. I quickly wanted to jump into more of like a bigger picture time frame. This is daily time frame price section. So this is what it is I'm looking at right now. So this is more of like daily time frame chart. We have seen that market has been quite bearish at this point. On Monday, we have seen aggressive price action toward upper side. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday was more of like sideways. Today, we have seen that again market has gone toward upper side from here. Market has knocked all of those highs. We have all of those highs left. We are anticipating for the market to go toward upper side from here. Knock all of those highs. There's no as much as very strong level of fair value gap market has or resistance market has left while going down. So it is possible that market could tends to knock all of those highs from here. We have been watching this price action for quite a while. This was very aggressive toward upper side. I was like, could make a pullback, then go up, or could continuous momentum toward upper side. Any of those ranges, any of those ranges may be strong level of resistance. Then a market make a pullback toward downward side. Pullback for this range approximately 96 to 98k of the range. Market could, because it's a point of control of the entire range. From here, market could create local top and then try to make a pullback to this fair value gap high, weekly fair value gap high, or maybe try to be bullish momentum, continuous momentum to bullish toward value high, or maybe upward level as well on the market. This is more of a like in a concern I am thinking about from the market, where it could perform, continue to be bullish, show rejection from this range, then go up, say 96 to 98 point K of the range, then go down, or maybe from here going down, then be bullish as well for the way to all the way. Other we are bullish. We have to keep in mind that we are bullish on the market and we are anticipating or expecting for the market all of those highs to be knocked and then continue its momentum toward upper side on a market. Maybe all-time high, it is possible it could go to way above 140k or maybe 150k as well all the way toward. I'm anticipating a big leg toward upper side from here. Next month, highly likely possible market may knock all-time high next month, and after that market continue. In May, June, July, I was summer is always bullish on a Bitcoin. We have seen that, and it is possible market could continue its momentum toward upper side. If you watch out today's price section from the market, on Wednesday on Thursday, market failed to knock this daily high, and we have this. After that, we have this weekly high as well. And today we have seen that when Thursday went down, market just wicked into that this weekly gap on daily time frame go up. And today we have seen that market open, just go down a little bit, and then we went toward upper side to knock this daily high as well. This weekly high has been not been knocked. If market has to be bullish from here, like for maybe it has to go to 98k of the range from here. It has I'm anticipating it should have to go to 98k, then we can anticipate a pullback toward downward side. If it has to go to 98k of the range from here, I would really anticipate from the market not to go below this low, not to go below this low, open, go down a little bit, and then continue its momentum toward upper side. I would anticipate or expect from the market to not to go down below the previous daily low, open go down a little bit and then continuous momentum toward upper side to this weekly high 97 or maybe 98, give the range from here. This is what it is we are anticipating from the market on a daily time frame for continuation toward upper side. We also have to keep in mind that tomorrow is such a day, market is usually very choppy or sideways. And next week, as well, I was thinking about next week, I was thinking, I was like, I just saw them. Oh, sorry, this is not the Forex Factory. I was just watching the news. Where's Forex Factory, man? Bro? I don't know the link, man. Forex. I don't know. Forex Factory news. So this is what I was just watching the price. Second, I don't know which website it was. It is on this chart, bro. It should show me, bro. I always do that, man. Factory. I just press F0 and then the links come up in on a market. I don't know. So I will have a look into that. I don't know. Like it has not been Forex calendar, maybe something like that. No, Fox. I'm looking for FOR, man. FO. Forex Factory, bro. This is the site, man. So this is what I was watching on a market as well. Oh my god, I don't know. I want to go to calendars. If you go to calendars, if you watch out the price second, one day we have no news. So today's week, this week, this was this week. Next week, we have a jobs opening on Monday. No news. Tuesday we have a news non-farm employment on Wednesday. Thursday we have this news as well, and Friday we have non-farm. We have quite a bunch of news on the next week. So definitely, I'm anticipating a quite bunch of volatility next week from the market, and that volatility, if you understand the market very well, you can utilize those volatility to your advantage, considering how patient you are, like how experienced you are as well in trading. As we're bullish, I would anticipate from the market all of those news should have to be bullish for continuation from the market toward upper side to knock all of those highs. This is what it is, but anything can happen. Maybe we just go to upper side, pull back down side, maybe continuous momentum toward upper side. We don't know how the market continue toward upper side, can pull back down from here, could go up, then go down as well. All of those price action or anticipation we can consider or expect from the market to do while we have a bunch of news on next week. So that's why this is what I was like thinking about. Next week we have a bunch of news, and then that's why we can anticipate weekend could be more of like choppy on a on a project, and market may not go above the high, market may not go below the low. Definitely, as long as we are above this low, I will be bullish. I would anticipate or expect from the market to go from here to at least 96 to 98k of the range from here to continuous momentum toward upper side. And we will see tomorrow how we'll keep an eye on the market. I did not have a job tomorrow, so if I will we will come live on New York time, maybe not, maybe late. So I will let you know, guys. We will see if market has any potential to do something, then we will do live stream. If no, then I will let you guys know on my Twitter that if we will do live stream or not. If you're not following me on Twitter, you can follow me on most of my updates. I've done in Twitter. I post a lot. I talk about everything about myself, my journey, everything where I am right now. What is it is I'm thinking about right now, how I'm feeling right now. All of those things I try to do on my Twitter. Talk about it's Twitter is more of like journaling to me, emotional journaling to me. So I must do most of my journaling at on Twitter and then post on Twitter. I don't know. It's right or not. I will have a look on 4 hour time frame. If you watch out this price action, market invert this 4 hour time frame fairly gap, gone to up. This is not on 4 hour time frame, not very strong a bullish price action from the market. Look at this. These candles has created bunch of those lows while going toward upper side and very close price action move. Yes, we have gone up, but it's very slow, very choppy price action on 4 hour time frame we have formed. So technically speaking, these are the red candles are bullish order block. From here we are anticipating on the market to knock the previous highs to go to this weekly high. It could go to this weekly high, it may not go to this weekly high as well. We will see from the market. This weekly high could be knocked maybe tomorrow, maybe not. Maybe it has to not to knock the this weekly high, and if not, then we will anticipate next week to knock this weekly high or this high, or maybe continuation toward upper side from here. This is more of like a thing I am anticipating or expecting from the market to do right now. For bearish case scenario, it is also possible that maybe it has to left those highs, then could be coming down as well. Yeah, we will have this fairly gap. It will be great. Market did not come down to this range. From here, it is bullish, but it is also possible that if all of those lows, market could knock and then create low high this range and then be bullish as well toward upper side, if you can say like that. On 1 hour time frame, if watch are looking, if just looking at this price action, we have this fairly gap, market tapped into that, failed to go above, come back down, very slow, very choppy price action, and then at this point market, this was a fairly gap, market invert this 1 hour time fairly gap. I quickly wanted to jump into that the other chart where we have everything on 1 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame as well, so we can understand as well. This was a weekly, daily fairly gap. The market knocked this day, knocked this low, come down to this daily fair value gap low, gone up, invert this 4 hour time frame fair value gap, hold this area, then go up, and then invert this 1 hour time frame. At this point, it invert this 1 hour time frame as fair value gap as well, holding this area, go up. Today we have seen that market come down in the morning session, come down to this 30-minute time fair value gap, then go all the way to the upside to knock the previous highs. And then I was anticipating weekly high to be knocked, could be possible, maybe not. And then from here we have seen more of like sideways pressure action continuation from the market. The same thing I would anticipate. This was 30-minute. This was also 30-minute time fairly gap. At this point, I was watching the price action very closely on 30-minute, 1 minute time frame. I was not. I was like anticipating from the market could be bearish as well. Inverting this level should have to be bearish. Holding this area, coming back up, we will be bullish. Look for the upper levels on the market. Hold this area, went up, and we took at two trades at this point. It was good trades, and we will discuss that as well. So going back down into 1 minute time frame right now, like if we just keep it simple, we have to keep in mind that we are overall bullish and what levels we are trading at. And this is the daily high we have trading below. This is a weekly high, market trading is above this. Shorter term time frame highs are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 highs. 1 minute time frame, 1 to 3 lows on a market. Overall, we're bullish. It is possible. So bullish case scenario from here could be bullish, knocking all of those highs, could be coming back down, knocking this low to this 30-minute time frame February gap, and then be bullish as well. As you can see that it's 7:30 on New York time as well. So stock market, everything is closed for them this Monday. Market will open on so this week everything is closed. So stock market, everything will close on Monday. So we can anticipate more of a like very slow, very choppy, jagging price action from them. Maybe it could be bullish as well, but you can anticipate that it could be jagging or so slow per second as well. We cannot deny this. If, for example, market has to go down to this low, knock all of three lows, like that's how we make our life simple by doing the analysis. 15-minute time frame we have very choppy per second. There's nothing on a fair value gaps to highlight. This is a big 15-minute time frame fair value gap. Market has shown rejection from this 15-minute time fair value gap. It has gone down. We're anticipating this low. On 5-minute time frame, if we watch the market, we have this 5-minute time frame fairly gap. Market has gone down, gone up all the way, come back down. We have these two lows, could be the reason for the market to be going down from here. And 5-minute time frame, yeah. And while going down, we have seen that this fairly gap market had kept open. So and we're trading at this range. I'm anticipating inverting this level, go down, knock these 2 and 3 lows on a per second on a market. If you watch out, this is a big downside per second candle market has formed. Fair value gap on 1 minute time frame, just gone up toward upside, then going down. I'm anticipating this low and this inversion of this fair value gap to this low, and also we have this low as well in play to anticipate from the market to further going down as well. This is what it is. I am watching right now for bearish case scenario. For example, if it had to have has to go down to knock all of these lows, and then at this range, if the market come down to this range, we will be bullish on a market to for a continuation toward upper side to knock all of those previous highs, because overall, just on a bigger picture time frame, we are bullish on a price action market. So this is the thing I have discussed most of the things right now with you guys. If it knocked all of those highs, it is possible it could go to this weekly high as well, or maybe it is possible this week it not has to knock this weekly high. It'll get high this range left those highs not to be knocked, and then next week for bullish case scenario we will anticipate these high weekly highs for the market to be bullish. So this is the thing more of like I am in a concern thinking about right now. And I think we have discussed everything right now. I quickly wanted to go into uh, how morning session market has performed. Overall market is bullish, we knew that, and we have seen before the opening of the bell market was trading at this range. It was trading at this was the high it has created. It was trading at this range. From this range, I was anticipating that market could create local top. All of those lows could be the reason for the market to be going down. It is also possible it could knock this high, create one more leg up, then go down as well. It is possible continuation toward upper side as well. And we have seen that this was more of a like market towards this fairly gap, go all the way to the come back down, holding this inverted 1 hour time frame fairly gap as well. From May it went all the way toward upper side. This was 30-minute time frame fairly gap as well. Market went up. We bought at this point. Market was very choppy. I was like from here it could knock all of those highs. Went toward upper side and then went aggressively to down. It was very slow for a second. I put my take most of my profit. I put at very close to the previous low, and then I was like I got stopped out in a profit. It was a profitable trade, and then it went down, go up, and to hold this area, and then we was anticipating all of three highs. It went all the way to the upside to knock all of those highs, and we closed our position at this point. Market was continuing to be bullish at that point as well. It was bearish, and then it was bearish as well. We have seen that from the market. I think we have discussed everything on this live stream. For the further tomorrow price action on the market, if for example market did not knock all of those highs, did not knock all of those lows, tomorrow I will anticipate or expect from the market to to go in either way, maybe bullish or bearish. Then we will see how the market could perform. I think we have discussed everything. There's nothing left to not to be discussed right now, but um, um, uh, uh, there's nothing. This is how it is. I think we have discussed everything, and I'll let you know, guys know for tomorrow if we will do live stream as well or not, because we have been doing live stream 5 times a day. I'm committed to do 5 times in a week. Saturday and Sunday you can take off. We will see if I can really be able to do live stream. I will try. If not, then I will let you guys know.